wish that heaven had visiting hours, and I would ask them if I could take you home. But I know what they'd say, but it's for the best. So I will live life the way you taught me and make it on my own.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seemed to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Bakit kaya? Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Nahimukin pa, pilitin ka ng tadhana. Alam mo na
Bakit nagkakaganyan? Lumulutang, nasasayang ang buhay mo, at ang ibinubulong ng iyong puso. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? At ikaw ay kaagad sumusuko. Konting hirap at munting pagsubok lamang. Bakit ganyan? Nasaan ang iyong tapang? Naduduwag, nawawalan ng pag-asa, at iniisip na natutulog pa. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? Sikapin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ang iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain natutulog pa ang Diyos. Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya. Dapat pa ba na ikaw ay maghintay at himukin pa, pilitin pa ng tadhana? Gawin mo na kung ano ang nararapat. Magsikap ka at magtiwala sa may kapal. Nakahanda ang Diyos umalalay sa'yo. Hinihintay ka lang, kaibigan. Sikapin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ang iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain natutulog pa ang Diyos. Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.